Hey folks, I have a beautiful tenor instrument to show you today. This is number 767. And this one's pretty important to me because it's the first instrument made from a stash of wood I salvaged from a closing boat shop in Tacoma, Washington. And it is a whole story and saga that maybe I'll share with all you folks someday. But what I salvaged was two giant slabs of Honduras mahogany, which I've split up with a few different guitar builders and myself, and a really beautiful board of super old redwood that I really like. So this one's got redwood top and Honduras mahogany back, sides, and neck. And I only would use a tropical wood like this when I salvage it from a source like this. The two boards, one was 10 feet long, 4 feet wide, and 4 inches deep, and the other was half that size. And the thing is about Honduras mahogany, the really old stuff like this, is it's super strong and it feels hard, but it's light. It's no wonder why it was so popular with people like Martin for their guitars. So anyway, I've got a little bit of this stuff now, and I'll be using it for many years to come. So we've got the mahogany back and sides, redwood top, and it's got my shop-made rope binding, and a beautiful grafted pistachio all across the front here. It really is a very beautiful, special instrument. And the interesting about redwood is, like, it's loud, like spruce is, and it's rich, like cedar is, but it's also like got a particular pointed dryness to it that I really like. I don't know how to describe it except I like it. Yeah, it's just a winner. So anyway, I've got plenty of this redwood mahogany now, and if you'd like it on an instrument for you, drop me a line. Cheers.